We're gonna do 10 seconds worth. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. What's up, building athleticism with a battle rope? Coming at you, Aaron Guyette, Master Coach of Battle Ropes, Education Director with Marcus Martinez, my fellow Master Coach. He is gonna do a jump squat rope slam into a balance walk on the rope, and then he's gonna do a little ollie shuffle on the way back. We're gonna make him do it twice to check it out. This is just a little snippet from one of the workouts from Building Athleticism with Battle Ropes, one of our programs on Living.Fit. Here we go. Up, 1. He was supposed to do 10, but we'll give him just 1. A little ollie shuffle. All right, so here we go. We're gonna do 10 seconds worth. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on, jump, get up, get up. All right, now he's gonna balance on that rope all the way down and then ollie shuffle. Oh, I'm gonna race him, I'm gonna race him. I'm coming at him. Look at that, look at that. So get a little workout, right? If you obviously, you're gonna do a lot more sets. He's having a little trouble over here. You're gonna do a lot more sets, but that was a little snippet from a piece of one of the workouts from Building Athleticism with Battle Ropes, one of our programs on Living.Fit. Check it out, how you feel?
That's pretty fun, actually. I'm not gonna lie.
Where are you gonna go to Disneyland?
I gotta say, I really gave it my all. Really proud of my performance, but you know, better luck next time.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's it. There you have it, folks. Marcus Martinez, Master Coach of Kettlebells, definitely not of Battle Ropes.